Diamonds have fascinated humans for centuries due to their unmatched beauty, brilliance, and rarity. However, with the growing market for synthetic and imitation diamonds, the ability to distinguish real diamonds from fake ones has become increasingly important. Testing fake diamonds is essential for jewelers, collectors, and anyone investing in fine jewelry. This guide will explore the most effective methods to identify fake diamonds and provide practical tips for accurate testing. Number one, understanding fake diamonds. Before testing, it's important to understand what constitutes a fake diamond. Fake diamonds can include cubic zirconia, CZ, a common diamond simulant that closely resembles diamonds but has different physical properties. Moissanite, a lab-created gemstone that can look similar to diamonds but has higher brilliance and fire. Glass or crystal, cheap imitations often used in costume jewelry. Synthetic diamonds, lab-grown diamonds with similar chemical composition to natural diamonds but are not mined. Each type of fake diamond behaves differently under various tests, which is why multiple methods are often needed for confirmation. Number two, visual inspection. The first step in testing diamonds is careful visual observation. Clarity and inclusions. Real diamonds often have natural inclusions, whereas fake diamonds may appear too perfect. Brilliance and fire. Diamonds refract light uniquely, producing a sharp sparkle. Fake diamonds may appear dull or have rainbow-like flashes that are too strong. Edges and facets. A real diamond's edges are typically sharp, while cubic zirconia may have slightly rounded edges. Using a jeweler's loupe or magnifying glass can help spot imperfections and confirm authenticity. Notch number three, the water test. This is a simple home test that can help distinguish a real diamond from a fake. 1. Fill a glass with water. 2. Drop the stone into the water. 3. Observe its behavior. Real diamond, due to its high density, it will sink quickly. Fake diamond, stones like cubic zirconia may float or sink slowly. While convenient, this test is not definitive and should be combined with other methods. Number 4. The fog test. The fog test checks a diamond's thermal conductivity. 1. Breathe on the stone to create fog. 2. Observe how quickly the fog dissipates. Real diamond, the fog disappears almost instantly due to high thermal conductivity. Fake diamond, fog lingers for a few seconds. This test is easy and effective for identifying many common fake diamonds, though it may not work on high-quality simulants like moissanite. Number 5. Heat and scratch tests. Heat test. Diamonds are highly resistant to heat. Heating a stone and then dropping it in cold water can reveal fakes, as glass or low-quality stones may shatter. However, this test is risky and not recommended for valuable stones. Scratch test. Diamonds are extremely hard and can scratch glass or metal. While this can be used cautiously, it may damage softer stones. Number 6. Professional testing methods. For conclusive results, professional testing is recommended. Diamond tester. Electronic devices measure thermal or electrical conductivity to differentiate real diamonds from simulants. Refractometer measures the refractive index of the stone. Microscopic analysis. A gemologist can examine inclusions, growth patterns, and laser inscriptions. UV light test. Many diamonds fluoresce under UV light, while fakes may not. Professional testing ensures accuracy and protects valuable investments. Number 7. Practical tips for buyers. Buy from reputable sellers. Always choose trusted jewelers with certification. Request certification. Certified diamonds come with grading reports from recognized labs like GIA or AGS. Combine tests. No single test is perfect. Using multiple methods increases reliability. Stay cautious with cheap deals. If a price seems too good to be true, it probably is. Conclusion. Testing fake diamonds is crucial to avoid costly mistakes and ensure authenticity. While simple home methods like the water or fog test can provide quick indicators, professional testing offers definitive results. By understanding the characteristics of real and fake diamonds and following the appropriate testing methods, anyone can confidently identify genuine diamonds and make informed purchases.